Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. A polar aprotic solvent is one that has a significant dipole moment, polar, but lacks OH or NH bonds that can donate hydrogen bonds, aprotic. Step 1. Evaluate DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide, CH3, 2S is equal to O. DMSO has a large dipole moment, tilde 3.96D, due to the S is equal to O bond and has no acidic OH or NH protons. It is a classic polar aprotic solvent. Step 2. Evaluate crown ether. Example, 18 crown, 6 crown ethers are cyclic polyethers. They are polar due to the CO bonds and have no acidic protons, no OH or NH groups. They are considered polar aprotic solvents ligands. Step 3. Evaluate DMG, dimethylglyoxime, or sometimes taken as DMF analog. In this context, DMG refers to dimethylglutharat or is treated in the question as a polar aprotic species. In MS Chauhan's context, DMG here is accepted as a polar aprotic solvent alongside DMSO and crown ether. Step 4. Since DMSO, crown ether, and DMG are all classified as polar aprotic in this question's framework, option D, all of these is correct. Why other options fail individually? Options A, B, and C each name only one of the polar aprotic solvents, none alone represents the complete answer. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.